we do donor. So apart from that, we have 2 more suits. So we will give it to one of you guys.
Wow, what a road. I mean, what do we owe the pleasure to? Well, this is going to be my first group ride. I haven't been in that. पहला बार एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे, पता नहीं कैसा लगता है कैसा नहीं. Let's see. I have been told that this is a short ride somewhere near the Nandi Hills, place named New Oak Cafe. So basically what's happening here is कि there's a brand named Neo Kavach. He'll be showing us some of the other things. I'll be showing it to you in a while in the video itself. Till that, bear with me. Yesterday I got these guards. I actually went for pants but I couldn't find one. मोस्ट में क्या हो रहा था कि लेंथ का इशू हो रहा था एंड जो लेंथ सही आया तो उसमें नी गार्ड्स ऊपर नीचे हो रहे थे. That is why I couldn't finalize on a particular pant. They told me that you'll need to get a customized one and I was like वाह बिल्कुल नहीं. जिस रोड पहुँच गया.
I'm saying like, no, you should like follow me up. And if I say like this, up and down, that means increase your speed. That is where, you will enjoy the moment.
That's the most of the people want it.
Looks like everyone has stopped to just check out the bikes that are going. First feeling of group ride and people are watching like anything. My god. This is something you don't get every day, that's for sure. The bike looks great. To compete with people, I'm having it for the first time when I'm riding. Like similar bikes are going on, so I can actually pull on the throttle to the extent that I wanted to. This is the first group ride I'm having and I just started it and I'm already starting to love it. So amongst these, I think the person you're seeing in front who is having that Neo Kavach backpack, so he is the marshal. He is guiding us today. I think you guys saw him in the briefing also. We are just following his lead. Yeah. Best part is they said they won't put any restrictions. You can go however the way you want to. Does the place feel so slow? We're like so near. It's like I feel like we already reached the airport. Fourth gear 104. I am loving it the way it is as of now. Today you guys will feel the actual wind blast, I suppose. They are gone. Genuinely gone. See, when you have people in front and then you are going, that's a different story. And when you're traveling alone and then you don't have someone in front to make way for you, You'll know the difference for sure. That's why Marshall is very much required in any and every group, right? He makes the way, you just follow his lead. That's all you need to worry about. Everything else is Marshall's responsibility, if not anything. Oh my god, it's smoking hot. It's tired or what? My god. And we have the 1963 Duke.
Change those up. Your extra tire Even I have a monster.
Oh, okay.
I know the weight.
Just tickles also like it. Man. पागल आदमी है, कहाँ से कहाँ घुमा रहा है. Oh my god, this is awesome. Man, seriously, I didn't have to even put on music or anything for this. It was a dream sometime, and today I'm living it. Wow. Yeah. What a road. I mean,
Lesser than the 50.
So look at his neck. It is 100% supporting, the airbag is supporting his neckline, and he can also not flex his. In terms of the back, we have a level 2 back protector. So even if I hit him with a hammer, nothing will happen. Don't be a ghost. Stay here.
1,
3, 2. Turn around.
Basically, I want to add a point over here. Whenever we fall, no, so most of the helmet doesn't have a backbone protector. So basically, here L1 and L2. So I can push my helmet like pressing. So basically, when you fall, your helmet it affects your L1 and L2. They're completely paralyzed, and this is protecting your helmet.
Yeah, it acts like a whiplash.
what do we owe the pleasure to? An Audi